back to 3-Minute Thoughts. I'm Polly Blomquist with Complete Estate and Probate Law. Today we're going to be talking about what is a will. When people call our office, mostly they call and say, "Hi, I'd like to schedule an appointment because I need a will." Do they need a will? Well, that's a question that we have to answer in our appointment with them as we discuss their needs. But today I want to discuss with you what a will is and what it would do for you. So, in order to understand what a will is, first you have to understand probate. Probate, we will discuss probate a little bit more as we are doing more of these videos, so be sure to come back and search for probate so you can get a really good understanding of what probate is. But today, just a brief description of what probate is. Probate has to do with unowned property. So when we die and we have property titled in our own name, then obviously we can't take it with us, as they say, and so there has to be an orderly transfer of property, and that's what the probate court does. It transfers property from being unowned to owned again. Now, the process by which we do that is determined by whether or not we have a will. And a will is an instruction manual to the probate court about how to do probate. It gives them a set of rules and regulations about what it is that you want the probate court to do. So the will takes the control out of the hands of the probate court and the legislature and the laws that have been established in your state and puts them in your hands, and you get to decide how your property is distributed and how your estate is controlled and administered. So when you pass away and you have a will, then that will is presented to the probate court, and then the probate court determines if that will is adequate or if it meets the standards that are required by your state. And it's going to do two main things. First, if you have children, it's going to appoint a guardian for your children. It's going to say, who should take custody of my kids and raise them? That's a really big question. So it's important that you discuss with your attorney what type of person you would want to do that, and you make sure that those wishes are made clear in your will. The other thing a will does is it divides and disperses your assets. So what are assets? Assets are the things that you own of value. And so like your house, your car, your bank accounts, investment accounts, and other things. So number one misconception is that a will keep you out of probate. Not true. The only thing a will does is it tells the probate court what your wishes are and how to administer your estate, and it assigns who you want to raise your kids and distribute things to, and also how it is that those things are distributed. That's what a will is. Stay tuned for more information.